Yeah, I'm the director of ag, Tennessee and Kentucky. Um, the ag program of the Nature Conservancy has probably been around for 4 or 5 years at a North America level. There's been several ag directors and for several years in the Midwestern states. So I'm the first one for Tennessee and Kentucky, though. Um, our work in Tennessee and Kentucky has been largely in the past around ag, floodplains, for example, but not within ag. So my goal and objective as a director of ag in Tennessee is to actually accomplish conservation objectives by working very much within ag. Well, of course, I'm working with the soil health program right now, soil health partnership program, um, and it's a new and our program is new, so there's some stuff yet to be determined. But another thing we're working with is the supply chain, engaging the supply chain to help increase demand for sustainably sourced ag products. Um, so we're early on, but whatever those strategies end up being, they're going to focus on making a business case for conservation ag, both figuring out how to reduce costs by working with nature, increasing efficiencies, and also, like I just mentioned, with supply chain, working to increase the demand for sustainably sourced ag products. Well, yes, there's no silver bullet for soil health. There's no single ingredient that will get you instant results. And there's a place for university trials, small research trials, but there's also a place for real world field trials like what SHP is doing. And that's absolutely critical for farmers to see with their own eyes and in real world conditions what works. Because until we can tell farmers at exact what, when, and where of how to accomplish success in conservation ag, until we can do that, we're not going to be able to achieve success at scale. And SHP is really focusing on the real world results. Also, the outreach, the farmer to farmer outreach is going to be absolutely critical to not, when we figure out how to do it, we also have to be able to get the word out. And SHP is really developing the farmer networks and the model of shared learning through demos. So working with SHP, that's really reaffirmed my belief that that's really the way to achieve scale.